Do you say oh apple? Oh no, that's wrong. Let's fix it right now. Let's understand by some rules. Rule number 1. N is used before vowel sound. Example, an aeroplane, an orange, an elephant. Rule number 2. It's about sound, not spelling. Example, an MP, an X-ray, an MBA, an FBI agent. Rule number 3. N is used when the first word is silent and next word is like a vowel. Example, an honest person, an hour, an higher. So friends, now no more a apple. Speak like a pro. An apple, an honorable, an MBA. Learn smart, speak easy with Pragna Patel Easy Speak English.